This would be more like a system where rye, camelina, or radish was planted into a growing corn crop. And you can see the residue of the corn very nicely. Lots of residue. We were very fortunate that when we planted, the corn stalks had dried down. We didn't have any hairpinning. We had very nice establishment. But as we look closely as to the amount of residue from our cover crops, this would have been a rye, and you can see that there is some evidence that there was a cover crop. But I think the shading really inhibited the growth of the cover crop. One of the take-home messages for me would be it looks like rye is certainly more likely to be a crop that can be put into a corn system. I think the later planting, whether it's flown on or in some way of getting it established, seems to be a little more favorable for survival in the spring. And probably we don't see a lot of biomass in the fall typically. But plants established, if it survives the winter, you've got something there that'll take off and at least establish some cover in the spring.